Alright, so this video is gonna be of how hard or how easy it's to take out a truck in 2021. It's October. This one here I got it from the Freightliner in Hialeah. This is it's Florida. Basically, if you don't know Hialeah, it's a town in Miami, Florida. This is a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia. It was the amount. It was 95,000. Of course, you have to add their other things that they add to it. I gave down $30,000. No, I gave my initial assessment was to give out 20,000, but then after they ran the numbers on my credit, they asked me for $30,000 down. Uh, so here we are. Even though I gave out $30,000, my original balance is 82,362. So that gives you an idea that if I just told you that it was 95,000, the other 13,000 were other things that I got for the truck. It was 9,500 for an extended warranty. I have 1 million miles of extended warranty, besides the 250,000 that it came originally from factory. I got a loan for 54 months, which is really nice. It's from Ally Finance. My interest rate is 8.50. For a business loan, this is a really good rate. If it was a personal loan, it is definitely not a good rate. I have only made two payments on it. My monthly payment is 1,846. But there you have it. My credit score when I applied was 816, I think it was, and I still got 8.50%. What they asked me, how long the business has been open, how long have I been in the trucking industry. I think I had to send some statements to show that I have income from the business, and that's about it. Most likely, if I'm not mistaken, I don't remember having to send my income tax for the business. But that's it. Here we have it, straight from the source from ILE Finance 2018 Freightliner. I had to wait about 2 weeks to get this truck. They have low inventory. This truck has a DEF. It's a two-bed sleeper. It's one of the new trucks. It has an automatic transmission. But that's about it. All right. Any comments, any questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer them on the video.